with Harlem Cruise Line and Times Square New Year's Eve. Flip the switch that lights the New Year's Eve ball. The star of our show, Times Square 2023, the global celebration at the crossroads of the world. As the new year approaches, we reflect on the past, celebrate our accomplishments, and hope to do even better in the year ahead. Now, presented by Planet Fitness, get ready for the greatest New Year's Eve celebration on Earth! One thing I'm celebrating tonight is my buddy Jeremy Hassel, who is joining me on the street with some of our revelers. Jeremy, where are you? Star of our show, and the universal symbol of the new year is the Times Square Ball. At 12 feet in diameter,